We're gonna be rolling into the awesome card shop here in Las Vegas. See, they got the Pokemon emblem right there. They got Topps, Magic, Raiders, because we're in Vegas. So we'll see what they got in store. We did it. If you know, you know. We'll see you guys back at the studio. What's going on, YouTube? Some Average Joe back at it again here at the studio. So, what did we pick up from the awesome card shop? The one and only Evolving Skies booster box, still sealed from the factory. Dynamic power on the horizon. So the biggest card for this is the Sylveon VMAX Alt-Art. It's very rare, but if you pull this bad boy, $700 raw, just raw. So they were listing this at $750 at the shop. I was able to get it at market price at $700, so not too bad. This box is only going to go up, in my opinion. It's the set in here is beautiful. They got a Dragonite, they got a Rayquaza, they got the all the evolutions. It's a very beautiful set. We got the Duraludon, but not going to open this just yet. This is just kind of showing off what we got. What we're going to open today is this bad boy here. XY Evolutions Charizard Dick. So, got this beautiful box holder. Pop it out here. I'm gonna replace it, the Evolving Skies box, because both surprisingly around the same price. $700 for what did I put upside down? $700 for the Evolving Skies, which will here. Today's focus. XY. We got this for $800. This box. So got a pretty, in my opinion, really good deal on this one. If you pull the Charizard out of here, it's $1,300 as a PSA 10. It's hard to get a 10 because a lot of this set has print lines. But this week we're going to celebrate this set with we're going to celebrate the Charizard, the Venusaur, the Blastoise, all their Mega Evolutions. We got Raichu in there, awesome. But we're gonna take our time opening this up this week. The Pokemon Legacy evolves. All trainers grow and evolve. All trainers and Pokemon grow and evolve, and this expansion restores the very first Pokemon trading card. Yeah, you know I can't even read it. But yeah, all the okay. So yeah, we got breaks in here. We got the Megas, the EXs. You'll see a lot of the stuff that looks like old vintage, but you got to be very careful. So I really didn't like that they did this. You got to be really careful because the symbol on the bottom is the only thing that differentiates it from like an old school set. So you got to be really careful. I can't believe I'm opening this thing, but this one's for me. This set's for me. Evolving Skies, when we go on Whatnot, it's gonna be for you guys. But this one today, this one's for me because I love Charizard, and I just kind of want to see, because apparently the hit rates for this set are pretty good for the Charizard. So hopefully we can get lucky. All right, film is off. Official. Boom. We got Blastoise on the top there. Okay. Man. Okay. So, obviously we got to go for the Charizard on the left first. But we're going to be real careful. Man, look at these packs. It's nice. I'm just gonna kind of, I don't want any bending because these are a decent value for PSA. I'm gonna send them all out. Okay, Electabuzz first here. Okay, we got, so comes with code cards. Let's see what there's an energy card in here. No. Okay. All right, so we'll just go from front to back. I don't know the card trick. Electabuzz, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Onyx, Magikarp, Rattata for reverse holo, Chansey. So this is what I'm talking about. So if you pull this with a, well, not pull it, but if you're shopping, especially on Whatnot, if someone puts this like real quick in front, like, hey, look at this condition, the Chansey, and you're thinking that it's base set, this little symbol right here, and the number obviously is the only thing that differentiates it from the old set. Wow, what a beautiful Chansey. Chansey, I think, is, yeah, it's a $700 card. The borders are pretty torched, but still, we'll take it nonetheless. So let's see, Magmar, Surfing Pikachu, Misty's Determination, so that's 3, so we'll go 3 from the back. But yeah, all these look like base set, right? Wow. Alright, and then we'll go with our Venusaur here. Actually, you know what? Put this sleeve. Beautiful. Alright, pack 1 down. Pack 2 with the Venusaur. We'll go with it since it was up front. I like go in order from when it's like what's up front first, you know? Let's see if our count was correct. Put this over there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got a Porygon. The Evolution Spray. Man, this is bringing back memories, man. These cards. Nidorino, Poliwag, Ghastly, Magnemite, Seal, Charmander. Okay, so we got a full holo energy here. Oh, we got a Ninetales. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. These borders. Ninetales, absolutely beautiful. Two packs, 2 hits. Very nice. We'll go with the Blastoise to complete the evolutions. Growlithe, love him. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got a Coughing. Revive. Here comes Team Rocket. Growlithe. Chop. Ran. Ponyta. Drowsy. Better Staryu. Mega Pidgeot. Still cool. I really like the Japanese writing for the megas. That's nice. It's pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. So this set, yeah, this set came out in 2016. 8 years old. Man. Yeah, this is so cool to open. We'll go with the Charizard. Oh, there's a little Raichu in the back. So there you go for the pack arts. Raichu is in here. Right, this is pack number 4. This back looks good. Okay, we got our Porygon, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Metapod, Ponyta, Dodo, a Pikachu Yellow Cheeks, okay, Staryu, Onix, okay, we got our Diglett, Diglett for the reverse, Dragonite, Dragonite EX. Beautiful. Beautiful card. Awesome. 4 packs, 4 hits. I'm liking it. Let's go with the Raichu. We haven't opened up Raichu. So this is pack number 5. Back. Okay, we got a Magmar, Surfing Pikachu, Misty's Determination, Staryu, Tangela, Rattata, Weedle, Voltorb. Oh! Reverse Holo Gyarados. Hell yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm a huge Gyarados fan. Very nice. I am happy about that. That's a beautiful reverse holo. Let's see for our hit. Udro. Udro for the rare. Put it in there. Get this sleeved up as well. It's because I went against the current from left to right. Beautiful. Okay. To end it off with our Venusaur. Pack number 6. One, two, three. Okay. Got our Flying Pikachu. Coughing. Misty's Determination. Vulpix. Energy. What? Magikarp, Weedle, Electabuzz. Okay, we got a reverse holo energy here. And for the hit, Eradicate. Alright. So, should do pretty good for the first 6 packs to grab the a Ninetales and a Chansey. Beautiful in this this Gyarados reverse holo here, Mega Pidgeot, and our Dragonite EX. Oh man, this set is so cool. This is such a cool set. I'm definitely gonna buy another one. I think this will be. I'll just keep kind of recycling, well, not recycling, but cycling through these sets and trying to get the PSA 10s, like send off all the hits, get them graded, see what happens. Hopefully it could be profitable to pay for it, but I really like this set. The reverse holos of the old school cards look absolutely beautiful, and to have the hit anticipation, you know, of getting a Charizard, and that we pulled the other ones like Chansey and Ninetales from base set 1, it's like, I feel like I'm 8 years old again. It's amazing. and that's worth it to me for an $800 box. I think this set is only going to go up in value because it has so many Charizards in it. Yeah, this will be cool. Like, I got an Evolving Skies, which is definitely a testament to the collection. I think I'm gonna open that up on Whatnot, let everybody participate in that one, see who can pull the old Tart Sylveon. But this was fun today. So tune in tomorrow for the next 6 packs to see if we can pull the Charizard. And until that time, thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.